Kia ora. Hey, let's have a look at the circuit in the simulator here. So what do we see? We see our OpAmp, okay, it's the output. It's inverting input here, and it's non-inverting input here. Remember always just to look for those to see which way around the OpAmp is before you start thinking about it. So, but here we've got something on the non-inverting input, and we've got something on the inverting input. So we've got two inputs, one on each, okay? So this is a clear indication to you that this is a subtractor, okay? So that's what you should be looking at. Now let's think about this. What's the gain of this circuit going to be? Now it's going to be fixed by these resistor values here, okay? So look at it and see that all these four resistor values are equal. Okay, straightforward. It's going to be this model here, okay? So what we've got is we've got the output voltage equals Vn2 minus Vn1. Now just double check that Vn2 is on the non-inverting input and Vn1, which is subtracted, is on the inverting input. So it's going to be this voltage minus this voltage. So what you've got to do is just set these two values, just like the other questions, and then figure out the output voltage. Okay, so fairly straightforward. So it's really easy to recognize these circuits, all of these complex op-amp circuits. So slow down, look at them, see where the inputs are connected, okay? So we've got one on the non-inverting terminal, one on the inverting terminal, and there you go, you've got a subtractor, okay? So we don't have to do anything too much with this, just look and recognize the fact that then all the resistor values are the same. So actually, hey, it's a very simple subtraction. Now, if the resistor values were different, like I mean, all four were completely different values, then you'd start having to think about doing some circuit analysis. But even still, if R3 here was the same value as R1, and R4 here was the same value as R2, then we could apply this model here, okay? So, hey presto, this is not too hard either, okay? So really just get used to looking at the circuit. Don't let it confound you and confuse you. Know what you can look at and see what you can see from what your knowledge is, okay? You won't go too far wrong. Cheers.